Yo, what's up, everybody? Yeah, good evening, guys. This is Veenbanto again. Very nice evening. It's a very nice evening, guys. The weather is so nice, guys. So nice, okay? Very nice. Yeah. I really love the weather. At least today, of all the days, the weather is so good. Very nice. Yeah, yes, guys. A very nice, bright evening, guys. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. So, guys, you can see the clouds, eh? It looks so nice, guys. Yeah, the clouds look so beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Where normally that structure there is where normally I wait for my bus when I want to travel using a bus. Look at that vehicle. That is a driverless cab. Yeah, that technology is awesome. It's awesome. It have cameras all over. You can go wherever you want without a driver. Okay? Technology, my guy. So I was saying, look at those clouds. They look so nice. Very beautiful. It's 7. It's around 5. That's why the sunset is already. It's already sunset. What color is those clouds? I think reddish or something. You can say it's reddish or what? I think it's reddish, eh? The color of those clouds. Yeah. Yeah, this is your guy, guys. Veenbanto. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Okay? We are road to success. The weather today, it's very awesome. Okay? Very awesome today. Today, I can rate it 9 over 10. It's not cold, it's not that windy, not that cold. At the same time, it's a little bit warmer. I don't know that combination. I don't know how we can say how is that combination, but that's how that combination is. Okay? That's how the combination is, guys. It's blending. So this is a nice evening. Taking a walk, guys. You must check the road before you cross there. You must check the road before you cross. That's what I know, guys. So I've been sleeping the whole day. I've been sleeping the whole day, you know. And then when I woke up, I felt like I have a serious back pain. Okay. And the moment I have a serious back pain, in most cases I used to go to gym, but I realized The more I go to the gym, because I'm going to carry heavy weights, the more the pain will persist. Looks so nice, guys. The more the pain will persist. The good way to relieve my whatever the pain, to flex myself is to take a walk, Instead of running, yeah, I can run, but I don't want to run. I want to take a walk, If I walk like, let's say about 1 kilometer, I'll be on a safer side. Okay. Yesterday, it really rained crazy. You see, there we have stagnant water. You can think it's swampy. So yesterday, we really had a very serious rains. Not even yesterday only. For the past 2-3 days, we have been experiencing very serious rains. Okay, it's a very rare to experience rain here. Very rare. But for the first time, not for the first time, but since this year started, we had a serious rains for the past 2 days. Now, since the landscape, the drainage is poor, so that's why you see we have stagnant water here. It's formed. Yeah, this place, the drainage is not that good. It's not that good. That's why we have a lot of stagnant water. A lot. Oh yes. That's how it looks like, guys. You check. Those clouds, they are disappearing now. Just less than 5 minutes. You can see thunder, right? It means it's gonna rain. You see? That is thunder. Yeah. So it means it's gonna rain anytime. Yeah, guys. Anytime it's gonna rain. Yeah. Within some few minutes, the clouds are gone, and now you can see thunderstorms. It means it's gonna rain anytime. Yeah, let it rain. Rain, when it says it rains, those are blessings. Those are blessings, guys. Let it rain. You see a lot of stagnant water there. It's because the landscape does not allow water to flow to get the berries. So apparently, when it rains, the water have to go to the place where they can settle. But it's gonna drain. If you can check, it's gonna rain. If you see now the clouds have changed to dark. Now those clouds are meant for rain. Rain, it's gonna rain. Let it rain, guys. But the last 2 days, those rains were crazy. I had a loud bang If you can check here, check here, it's already drained. Okay, same applies to here. You can think it's a swampy area. You see this place, you can think it's a swampy area, but it's not. It's because of these rains. Yeah, because of these rains. Yeah guys, because of these rains. Oh my. Yeah, this is how the place looks like, guys. And today my camera is doing so well. I don't know why. Or it have some days where the camera misbehave. I don't know. Or it's because, you know, in most cases I start my videos when it's a little bit dark. But for today, I can see my camera is very, 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 very good. Today is misbehaving right. Behaving right. Yeah, guys. So the thing is this. This year, Veenbanto, we're gonna reach prices. Okay. We're gonna reach prices. These are the waters. Waties. Looks so good, I can say. Yeah. Yes, guys. I would love to take a very, very, very nice picture here. But if I had someone who can hold on me, who can take picture. But now I'm alone. Nobody now can take me a picture, guys. Alright? Absolutely nobody. Absolutely. This is our beautiful lake. Our beautiful lake. Okay, seasonal. Yeah, normally when it rains, that means is a changing of seasons. Yeah, that's what happens. Now the moment it have rained like this, now we are changing the seasons. Now we are from winter to summer. Of late, we have a little bit heat. You know, you sweat easily. Of late, since this week started, you can feel like you are sweating. Not that much sweating, but you can tell. You know, you can tell like things have changed. Not like before. Yeah, you can really tell. And that means now officially we have welcomed summer. And the moment it rains, now that is the clear communication that we are on a summertime, guys. That's a clear communication that we are on summer. So start April, from here to April, we are like one week apart. Start from April, now that is the real summer. Okay, but the severe summer, that one which is very intense, the intense summer, it's there July, August. Now that is the climax of summer. Yeah, climax. July, August and September there. That is the climax of being on summer. Summer, guys. Guys, this is Veenbanto. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please press that red button, subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Yeah, and don't forget to watch my video from the start until the end. Okay, that's one way of supporting your guy. Yeah, let's support each other. Let's support each other. Yeah, we are road to success this year. We promised ourselves our goal, our main goal for this year, as much as YouTube is concerned, is to reach 10,000 subs. We cannot reach that 10,000 subscribers minus your support, guys. So your support really matters a lot. Okay, the rest I'm gonna make sure it's content after content. I won't be sleeping, guys. I won't be sleeping. I promise myself. Initially my plan was I have to bring a content on a daily basis, but sometimes due to circumstances, you know, it be a little bit harder for me because of you know, we have other things to do, you know, so it'll be a challenge. But what I know is I'm gonna try my best, level best, to make sure you guys don't go without content. Okay, you see that lightning? Yeah, that lightning, I suspect it's raining somewhere. Yeah. It's raining on the other side. Very, because even the cold, the wind, I can feel the chilled wind. It's like it's raining somewhere. You know, when it's raining elsewhere, there is that fine chilled coldness you feel. You can tell. This is not a normal cold. No, it's raining elsewhere. So the way I can feel, it's raining elsewhere. That's why I can see lightning. But I know it's gonna rain here. Yeah. I told you, every single evening, if you come outside, you'll find people either running, jogging. Those guys are jogging. Those guys there, they are playing football. Yeah, you know, they are keeping themselves fit. You know, most people, what they don't know, this most of these countries, you have to keep your body fit. Okay, because each and every day, the food itself you take, it's mostly we eat junks. Okay, junks, and the food we eat is not organic, you know, full of chemicals, starting from, even if it's tomato, those are chemicals, pure. There is nothing like organic tomato. No, you cannot find them here. So in most cases, all these foods we eat here, these foods are junks, pure chemicals. Okay, so if you don't do exercise, you will find yourself increasing weight, having very big belly. Even me, before, I had a very big belly, which I had to work on it. Okay, even now, it's not like it's completely gone. It's kind of there, but I'm still working on it because I don't look good when I have a belly, and I don't love it. No. It's because of the lifestyle which we are meant to live here. Okay. We have a lake there. In normal cases, we don't have this water here. In normal cases, it's as dry as here. So these 3-4 days rain, it have been raining heavily. When I say heavily, it means heavy. Now it's like a swamp here, guys. And it's clean water, by the way. Very clean. I don't know if you can see. You can see sand. It's a very clean water. A very clean water. Now I'm just imagining. Now I'm just imagining if I was back home, and let's say this water is at my home area. You can do irrigation, you can use this water for irrigation. Yeah, you can do irrigation with this water. You can, animals gonna benefit from them. If you are building, okay, you can use this water. So if it was back home, this water have a lot of benefits. If you check here, previously this water was here, up to here, but right now it have gone up to there, because today it rained today, but not that heavy. But yesterday and the other day it was crazy. That's why. Maybe by tomorrow, if you come, this is the states. The situation. I'm just imagining. If right now it starts rains here, oh my God. We came from there. We went round like this. We were walking that way until we went to the other side, and then we came like this until we are here. Now we are going to the other side. At the end of this fence, you see, we are going at the end of this fence. At the end, and then we turn left. That's the idea. Now I'm imagining, suppose it starts raining right now, what would I do? Because here there is no shelter. So I'm gonna allow myself to be rained on. I cannot say I'm crossing the road to go the other side. It's very far. Okay? There is no way I can just cross directly to the other side. I cannot. We have wire mesh here, and it's not. We have a fence here, and it's not allowed to jump over. That is trespass. So it's either I get rained on, or I go quick out to the end of the wire mesh, the fence, the perimeter wall, and then I go left. Yo, it's crazy now. It's crazy. Crazy, guys. Yeah, we have the other guys. Yeah, we have other guys exercising, playing football. They are doing exercise, literally. Okay. You see this sand here? This sand of sport. Yeah, this is sand. This sand, they import it. Okay. This is black soil, not sand. Sand is but this one is a black soil. This black soil, they usually import. Yeah. Importing is bringing in. So they usually import. Now, they use this sand for irrigation. Planting flowers, and They do plant flowers and grasses. And grass, not grasses. There is nothing like grasses. It's a grass. Yeah, that's what they use it for. The funny thing about this, like this country, one thing which amuses me with this country is, like, they are not that okay in terms of, back in Africa. If you check in Africa, we are so much blessed, very blessed, such that we are blessed, such that I'm married because I don't. Oh, I see. I was wondering how comes this fence here, if you check from far away, it's a little bit down. So I was thinking this side we don't have fence. That's what I was thinking. It's a steep. Okay. Now I understand. On this side it's steep. So I was like, we don't have fence on this side. So what I was saying is, like, in Africa, I don't know if you can see me, guys. Now it's already dark, so it's gonna be very hard for you guys to see me, but my voice, you're gonna hear it, guaranteed. So what I was saying is this: in Africa, I want to end this video because now it's, in Africa, we are blessed with rains throughout the year. Food, we can plant food anytime. That's what we do, actually. Okay? Food is there. We can plant because we are blessed with rains. But at the same time, you find we have food shortage all over the country. Meaning other people, they lack food. So I wonder, like, how comes we lack food and we have all resources? Our soil, very nice. Very, very nice. You don't have even to add manure to your soils. Those soils, they are very fertile. If you plant, let's say you plant food, maize or something, you don't have to add, let's say, fertilizers like every now. No. You don't. Because the soils are very, very fertile. But still, we have shortage of food every now and then. People die of hunger, And here, barely we have rains. Barely. In a year, maybe you can count how many times you have rains. In most cases here, it's dry. It's summer in most cases. Okay? But not even a single day you hear like there is no food in the stores. In fact, we have fresh food. Here. I can feel my throat is now paining. We have fresh food throughout. Even right now, as much as we have crisis in stores, if you go to the store, you'll find fresh food. Okay? It means these guys are well stocked. They know how to prepare themselves. But if the crisis was back home, I know people, it's gonna be disastrous. Okay? So yeah. Here they are kinda things are systematic, Of course, God cannot bless you with everything, but here they use their resources wisely. They don't. In fact, they don't. How can we say? Here, what is this word? I meant they don't depend on rains. Okay. The good thing they have ocean. So what they do, they use that ocean wisely. They do irrigation, warehouse using the ocean water. Okay. So guys, it's getting darker, and I know this video gonna be boring because you only hear voices, the voice, but you cannot see anybody. I think I'm gonna end this video here until we meet again. But don't forget, subscribe to Veenbanto, like, share, and comment. And you guys, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Okay. Watch my video from the start until the end. Thank you guys.